baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you some candle holders that I'm going to make. Yeah, so let's get into the items that we'll be using. Okay, we have these nice little vase here that I got from Dollar Tree. Aren't they super cute? And they're gold. They're very nice. And we have our flower candle holders, you guys. I love them. And we have these gold beads from the Dollar Tree. And we have our scissors and our E6000 along with our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright, we're going to start with our nice candle holder and our beads, which I've cut them into individual little beads just with the scissors, just cut them apart. And we're going to take our hot glue gun and just glue them all over our flowers. Our flower candle holder, you guys, all over.
Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. When I had you, I was okay. I need you beside me.
Now we're going to take our E6000 and our glue gun, and we're just going to glue the two of these together.
Beside me, you beside me.
And here's our finished look, you guys. Our Glam gold candle holders. I like how they turned out. I think they look really nice with the beads individually glued on to the rose candle part of the candle holder. I think they look super cute. Using Dollar Tree items, you guys. Like I said, take the plain and the simple, bling it out, and then you have something elegant for your home decor.
Now that I got you beside me, you beside me, girl, I got you beside me, love you better now. Baby, let's celebrate now.
And do you guys like this gold vase? I spray painted this vase. It was it had Chinese design on it, and I took some gold metallic spray paint that I got from Walmart and just sprayed it down. If you look good, you can see the prints from where the design used to be on it, but that's okay. That gives it a nice little touch. And I just used the spray paint and spray painted it down. And I also did this vase that's at the bottom. Yeah, it also had another Chinese design on it. And I just spray painted it gold and give it a retouch. Looks very nice now, very elegant and nice. Alright everyone, thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had today. And leave me a comment down below, tell me what you think about these two candle holders. And give me a like, give me a thumbs up. And press that subscribe button if you haven't already. And press the bell twice too, so you can get notifications of when I upload my next DIY videos to share with you guys. Alright, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.
And I realized that I've made a big mistake, choosing material things over you. Call me young.